$25. Madison and sweetbreads. Plates are hot. Sweetbreads is $4. All right? Yeah, rock on. Here we go. Good Lord. I got another one. Zach, small Caesar when you get off your break.
Sorry.
25, right?
Yes. Yeah, Louis, I don't know where you are, but this would have never happened if you hadn't opened this restaurant. Yep. Order dessert. That was like 7 years ago. By the way, we're live. Say hi to the world.
Hey, world.
2 small dinners. Bingo. Thank you. 5. Out of here. See ya. Yeah, welcome to the real world. Where's this calamari going? Ah, shit, yeah. Service, please. Got a set? Table 9. Does it snow? That says 3 to 6.
And there's a no.
Needs water in there. You got a trainer. All right. I don't know who's there. I'm busy. Hi, Ross, Courtney. Hey, Tim, Mark. Yeah, Tim, you should have come got a job. You could be suffering with the rest of us. Give me a duck. Duck goes with this. Yeah.
Duck is in his hand. Ouch.
Yo.
I don't know if it's picking up right now, Rick.
Huh?
I don't know if it's picking up.
Service, please.
I gotta get people out of here. Desserts need to be
Here they are.
faster.
36. I got one dessert ticket hanging. Okay.
I need 30s desserts.
They're gone.
Well, I just asked her what was going on with that table. She said I need desserts.
No, I don't have 30s desserts. I don't have order.
Are you fucking kidding me?
I don't have a ticket for 30s desserts. I don't have a fucking dessert ticket for 30. Yeah, they went. They're gone. Never mind. Talking tuna, yeah. Alright. 21, please. Steak, medium, mashed, lamb chop. Yes? Yep. Beautiful. Keep them going. Put 7 in line as I asked you before. Right? Put 40 in line. Put 43 in line.
10 snacks, right?
Right.
Yeah.
But keep hammering them, alright?
Half wrap beef rag out, B5 out, gone.
Gone.
Snake plate.
I need a foie. I need a foie going with this whole soup.
Yeah.
Zach,
Yes, sir.
I'm missing a small Caesar regular and a small dinner.
Anything else for me, sir?
I got 2 more large dinners, one with cheese. I wanted to see what's going on. Hey, Cody. Yeah, it brings you back, huh? Sit back, have a beer. You can watch us all. Hey, Patty Mac, what's up, brother?
Rice and a mash on one of the snakes. That's medium rare.
30 desserts were gone. 36 desserts are gone. This Nutella's going
Rice
to
and a
20.
mash on a snake medium rare.
I got 3 tickets to call, too. Trio creamer. I got an add rice. Horseradish or horseradish sauce. Don't worry, everything's coming. 2 minis. No. Not yet.
There's a mini creme brulee.
They will.
Creme brulee.
Calamari's in the fryer, Courtney, okay? You're just going to have to frickin' wait, just like the rest of the people. What do you think? You're special? You're going to get it right away? What are you, nuts? Jesus, Mary and Joseph. Gotta go to wherever it is. We gotta go to Arizona. We need Area 51.
Large. How do you go? Huh? My name is regular.
51, you're looking at Super Sport. Yeah, one more small Caesar, no fish. That would be a help. Yes, sir. Lamb chops going with this would be nice. Let's just keep this thing running. What the hell? Hey, Jeff, you should be working. Bastard. How about that rough estimate? Part of it. But they just became in a hurry. They got to go see the fireworks or something.
No, they got a kid. She's getting
Fireworks. This is 21 though.
okay.
Got it.
Another. Great, Zach. Thank you.
Sir.
Steak is one. Small Caesar, come here. Small Caesar, cup of hot, table one. Johnny, you move my doilies around. Why are you moving my? You touch my stuff. Soup is one. Yes, you're going to one. It's closer this way. Thank you. Grilled cheese with an entree wrap. Take it over to Lanny. Woohoo! Hey, let me call this next round. Onion soup. Oh yeah, I need that foie gras. I will. I need a side of rice. Well, then I need green veg on there too. Why if it says side of rice, you do that? What if it's not? It could be for the fucking baby. Alright? Alright, side of rice. It's not, never mind. Then make it look like a $5 side of rice then. Because I'll charge them 10. 2. 4. Woo, baby! I got the back. Little, oh yeah. What are we dragging? Grab that one with the 4-piecer in it. Okay, 2. Service, Peg. We got rice in 2 places. They can have a ball. Okay.
Order cake, we need to
Sure, tap a keg. Alright, I'm on that. Listen, I gotta call this stuff, or you gotta call this. Just read this, will ya?
Johnny, hot dog and a rag out.
No, I called Johnny. You call your guys, okay?
You already got it. 2 Fritos of venison. Plus fish.
Onion soup. No, it's a new order, John. 5, 4. A large dinner on here. We'll kill this table, Zach. Zach, I think I fucked up. I think I asked you for 2 large dinners. I need another one on the fly. Good. And I need 2 small Caesar now. I gotta go get some beer, alright? Thank you. Yes, sir. I need 2 pizzas.
What? Oh. Girl, I find bacon.
Okay, I need 6 and 1. 3 is a large mancha. 4 is a small Caesar anchovy. 5 large Caesar anchovy. 5 is a foie gras. Okay, 11. What time is it? 7:30.
Pretty much about as fucking crazy as it gets, right? What do we drag? Did they get the lamb that I fucked them for? Great. Oh, whew. Northshire chocolate stout is tapped. Oh my god, what a beer. Garvey, you suck. Zach, that other large dinner I asked you for needs Roquefort on it, please.
Right on,
Thank you, bud. Right now. Holy shit, I have to pee. Does anybody have to pee? Yeah, for real. Yo. Alright. What are we working on, fellas? We're working on 7. How's 24 with the 3 ducks?
I need 24.
Yeah, I know you need
Sorry,
it.
I
Thank you. Don't flirt. Thank you. God. 3 ducks and a pizza. Let's go. I want 40 and 43 next in line and 8. How long in that lamb chop going to ravioli? Okay. Let's jump to 40. 2 salmon, parmesan, 2 steaks, both fries, side of fries, 2 sauteed spinach. I need 2 pizzas. Johnny, I want to pick up a crab cake. Chimichurri. Yep. I love when you guys have time to chill and watch a live on Saturday night. Hey guys, what's up? Cheese. Service, please. 23 salads. Cheese is 1. 23. Cheese is 1. Spin wrap. Where the fuck is How's that? You give me the veal too? You're just throwing stuff at me. Okay, I'm good. Give me stuff. Give me the veal. I can sell tables. Thank you. Zach, I'm still dragging a small Caesar, buddy. Hi, Steve. Oh, okay. Yeah, you're right. My bad. Two small Caesar. Onion soup making into lights. Yeah. Cool. All right. Hey, Eric. What's happening? Nice to see you. Thanks for joining me.
I have people arriving returned.
I have food. It's all coming up. What? It's all coming up.